See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So we are going to create this makeup look right here using only Indian makeup brands. I'm really excited for this video, so let's get started. So we'll start off by prepping our skin. I've already cleansed my face and used some toner. Now I'm going to use this LAKMÉ's 9 to 5 Lumi Lid Cream in the shade Silver. I love this cream. It gives a very beautiful glowy and dewy base for the makeup. It has tiny little shimmer particles, so if you're into glowy makeup, you can try this one out. We have two primers. One is from Mars and the other one is from Inside one is my recent purchase and I really like it. It blurs my pores and gives me a very smooth base to work on. We are going to start with this concealer from Inside Cosmetics. This is the No Smudge Concealer. This is not my shade, so I use it as my color corrector. And the formula is really creamy. It blends beautifully. If you can get your own shade in this one, then you should definitely try out this concealer. But this is a bit too dark for me. Then I'm going to use the Swiss Beauty's liquid concealer to brighten my under eyes. This is my all-time favorite concealer. I've been using this concealer for 3-4 years now and I love the formula. It is so creamy. It blends beautifully. You're going to see it now. I mean, I love this one. I have tried so many concealers, but I love Swiss Beauty for the formula and for the shade match. It is such a beautiful concealer. You can definitely try this one out. I absolutely love it. You can see how flawless my face is looking. Then we are going to use this blush from Fay Beauty. I love this blush. This is also one of my latest purchases and I'm loving this blush these days. It blends beautifully. The formula is very good and it lasts for a long time. So I think it is definitely worth a try. You can definitely try out this blush. Then we are going to use this Nykaa's Matte to Last Pore Blurring Loose Powder to set everything in. This is also my latest purchase and this is such a beautiful powder. I mean, this can easily beat any high-end powder because it actually blurs your pores and gives a beautiful finish. Then we are moving ahead with the Swiss Beauty's highlighter stick. I bought it 2 months back, but this is actually my first time using it and I was stunned because it is such a creamy and beautiful product. I mean, it blends beautifully and the shine, the shimmer, everything is so beautiful. And the price you're paying for this product, I mean, this is just unbelievable. I absolutely love this highlighter. I mean, these Indian brands are working so hard on their products and their formulas. Love it. Then I'm going to use my favorite palette from Mars. This is their Blooming Imperial eyeshadow palette. You guys know I absolutely love this palette. Everything about this palette is just perfect. The shades are so pigmented. There's absolutely no fallout. Everything is great about this palette. The packaging, the price, everything is just so good. I'm using the lightest shade from the palette as my transition shade and I'm kind of like applying it on the outer corner of my eye and also applying it on the inner corner of my eye because we are going to create spotlight eyes. I'm not very sure if that's what it's called, but I call it spotlight eye because we are going to put some shimmer in the center, so that is why I like to call it spotlight eyes, but I'm not very sure if that's the actual name. And we're blending everything properly. I've also used some dark brown shade and I'm using the golden shimmer from the palette and this is what it looks like. Absolutely beautiful palette because just look at the shade. The shimmer particles are not too chunky but they reflect beautifully. I'm going to use some transition shade to blend the edges so it doesn't look harsh and you can see how beautiful the shimmers are. I mean, I'm absolutely in love with this palette. If you still haven't bought this palette, you should buy this palette. And I'm doing the same on the other eye. Then we are going to use this double effect eye pen from Inside Cosmetics. This has got two sides to it. One is the dramatic side and the other one is the precise side. I'm going to use the dramatic side to create my winged eyeliner. Honestly, this is such a beautiful eyeliner pen because it is so smooth. I love doing winged eyeliners, and I think this is such a good and effective product because firstly, it's very smooth. It doesn't create any creases or anything like that. And if you're a beginner who likes doing winged eyeliners but you find it difficult to do it with liquid eyeliners, I think this is perfect. I'm using the precise side to kind of extend my eyeliner. I think this product is really good. Then I'm using some kajal from Inside Cosmetics again. This is their gel kajal. Love this one, doesn't smudge at all and it's quite long lasting. So yes, you can see how dark and beautiful my eyes are looking. Love this kajal as well. I'm just going to curl my eyelashes using an eyelash curler. I'm doing this after so long. Then we're going to use this Everlasting Voluminous Mascara from Inside. This is a good mascara for the price you're paying, but I have used better mascaras. So yes, but this is good only. Nothing crazy but good. Then we're using this brow tattoo from Inside again. This is similar to the Benefits Gimme Brow. I mean, that is a completely different formula and this is different, but I like this one as well. I mean, it sets my eyebrows and lasts for a long time. So yeah, love this one. Then we're going to use the Mars Velvet Lip Tint. I was really excited to try out this product because this is a new launch. It has a lot of reviews. Everybody's trying this product out and this is a dupe for the Etudes Fixing Tint. So yes, I was really excited. I'm just lining my lips here using the Mars Edge of Desire lip liner in the shade Cinnamon Roll, my go-to lip liner. This is what the tint looks like. I love the shade. I had huge expectations from this product because people are raving about this product, but I feel that, I mean, it does give you that blurry matte effect, but when it comes to the product, it's not similar to the Etudes Fixing Tint because that one is really comfortable to wear, but this one actually is quite drying. So if we talk about that, I didn't like it that much, but it's still a great product for the price we are paying. So yeah, and this is what the makeup looks like. I hope you guys like the makeup look. I've only used Indian brands and I think Indian brands are doing so good. So yes, you should definitely try out these products. And this is it for this video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Come on, baby,